Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Netflix account. This continues our series on Netflix accounts and all of the tech tutorials therein. So if you have any other questions about Netflix, make sure to check out all of our other videos. So this is a very easy step for you to do, but sometimes it can be a little complicated. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure you're logged in. Obviously you can't log out if you're not logged in. So you're going to log in. Once you're all logged in and you would like to log out, you're going to select, go over here. You can either hit account or sign out of Netflix right here. If you go into account, and you scroll down, you can hit sign out of all devices. This makes sure that for all of your different devices, you're signed out of all those devices at the same time. If you just want to sign out of this account, we're going to go and we're going to hit sign out of Netflix. And it says that we're signed out. Hit continue. And you are officially signed out. If you would like to sign in, you can obviously hit the sign in button again and you'll be all set. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.